man, what up, man? Y'all already know who it is, but if you forgot, swollest Wave on YouTube. Hey, I know it's been a minute since I've been on YouTube, but I've been like super busy with work and personal life and stuff like that. But I see that my channel is still growing. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I ain't put out a video in about probably a good 4 or 5 months. I know at least 4. So I appreciate everybody who subscribed. I see since I've been going, a lot of mess been going down in the wave game, and I'm not about to make this video on that. That is what it is. I'm here on something else. I wanted to make a quick video about many ways you can use a brush. I haven't seen a video made on this yet, so I decided to make one. So I want y'all to tell me, when y'all look at y'all brush, how many sides do you use when you use your brush? Take a good look. Y'all probably talking about, nigga, I only see one side, which is the top side. That's the side that you use. Same thing with a flat brush. You just see this one side. Bear with me, I'm going somewhere with this. The reason I asked that question about how many sides does the brush have, because a lot of people just stick to using this side of the brush, which makes sense. But these sides, the side here, the sides of this flat brush can also be used too. So don't neglect that. The reason I say that, those sides can be used for hard to reach angles when you want to lay your hair down. So when you're brushing your hair, you already know the bristles, this side of the brush is gonna lay your hair down, but still at the same time kind of cause hairs to stick up. But check this right here. If you use the side of the brush, whether it be this side or this side, this is especially, I'm talking to my people with swirls. And man, you can use this for beehive too. You can use it for beehive too. But especially for people with swirls who trying to close their crown, think about using the sides of your brush, man. So I'm gonna show you something right here. So y'all can see I still been brushing, and my crown is closing up. So what I'm saying is, when I get up in this area here, this area right here, I'm using my side. I'm using the side of the brush to lay that down. So let me show you. This is how I lay my crown down. This is how I've been doing it. And it's been closing it up for me, because the sides of the brush are actually causing the hairs to lay down and not stand up. Don't neglect the sides. Same thing, same rules apply when I'm up here. I'm using the side of the brush to lay this down. I'm using small strokes because I'm focusing on this crown. I'm using the side of the brush. Now when I come out here, I'll pick the brush up and I'll continue brushing. That's what I do. I continue brushing. But when I get into the crown area right here, that brush is laid down. And it gives me better control over my crown without me having to worry about my hair. So I'll show y'all one more time with this curve brush. Using the sides to lay it down. When I get close to my crown, right now I'm using the side everybody else uses, but when I get right here, in here, that brush is laid down. Same thing applies with this. So you can use the crown, you can use a flat brush. I'm almost similar to a curve brush. I'll be using this corner side of the brush, or this corner side of the brush to work that crown. That's what I'll be doing. It really don't matter what brush you're using, as long as your brush strokes stay the same, just like everybody else videos tell you. The same rules apply, man. I don't want my hair raised right there. So, laying that brush down, using the side bristles, the side of the bristles. So, that's a little tip for y'all. That's how my crown looking. It's closing up. My connections, I've been working on them, and they coming in. Even though I ain't been on YouTube like that, I still been working, right? Y'all can take that advice and use it. If not, that's cool, but give it a try before you knock it. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm the first person to make a video on using the side of the brush, using the angles on the flat brush, but I just wanted to share that with y'all. So if y'all knew, then fine. For those who didn't know, I hope I helped y'all out. And I'm about to get up out of here because it's almost time for me to go to work. I got more videos coming up for y'all. Y'all stay tuned. I hope everybody have a good Christmas. You with your family, stay safe out in these streets. And I get at y'all later, all right? Wave out, why?